Pepper. Oh, it's Wednesday morning, by the way. There's Pepper, and there's Birds out there. He was in hunting mode, now he's in silly mode. Now he's still watching them, but he's just rolling around like, oh, I'm ignoring you. You have nothing to fear from me. I'm just enjoying the sunshine. It's a frosty morning out there. It's still pretty cold. Yep, he's in creeping mode now. It's funny. No, I'm not going to be able to see him. I don't think he's going to catch anything anyways. Well, I got to get back to making breakfast. Okay, I'm testing out my camera app. We're heading to the garage that's going to fix up my car. Ken is following me. You might see him in the background there. I think I got my camera app figured out. I was looking online for a remedy, and they said to turn off the mirroring feature on the phone, the camera app. I don't know how I missed it. It was right there, but I finally found it and turned it off, so now hopefully I don't look like I'm driving in the UK. That was annoying. Yeah, we're on our way to the garage that's gonna repair my rockers. Well, they're gonna replace the rockers and some kind of mounts, and I think some of the floor. Whatever else, I don't know. They named a bunch of stuff off. They named the same stuff off that the other body shop named off, but the price is like a quarter of the cost. Originally, we were looking at $3,000 or $4,000, which we can't justify that kind of money being put into it. Might as well go get another used car for that price. But $800, we can live with that. We can do that. That's doable. I mean, it's still a good chunk of change. Don't get me wrong. I'm not like, oh, that's nothing. No, that's significant, but it's definitely cheaper than getting another vehicle. And then who knows what kind of issues we'd run into with another used car. We can't afford a new one. We already got a car payment. So we're just gonna stick it out with this. Everything else works on it. So, anyways, that's what we're off doing. He's got to go to work later, so we got to get this done, get back, see him off to work, and then I get on with my day. He gets on with his. That's that. So, I'll catch you guys later. Okay, we're almost there. Drop off my car. I won't have one for a few days. Where they want me to park. I miss my car already. Just dropped it off a little while ago. There's the empty spot. I'll get it back in a few days. It's gonna be weird. But I'm heading out for a walk. It's a gorgeous day. Well, kind of gorgeous. It was really sunny. Now it's overcast, but it's still nice enough to go for a walk, and it's warmed up to almost 50. So I'm gonna get going. Okay, thought I'd take some video of the area that I go walking. Yeah, we live out in a rural area. Lots of field, lots of field. And we got our share of swamp. And as you can see, there's geese out in it. We got tons of geese around here. I'm surprised they didn't fly away yet. And there's a trash can. That's always nice to see. Ugh. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, they're not swamps. They're wetlands. Yeah, right. Growing up, they're always a swamp to me. The geese are loving it. Whew, it's getting cold out here and more cloudy. Rains are supposed to be coming in, so I guess I better start hoofing it. Okay, here's the pond right across the road from us. Then there's one way in the back too. You can't see it from here. There's a few geese. There's usually tons of them, but it's probably too cold or something. I don't know. So there's usually 100 out here. Now there's like maybe a dozen. Yeah. Nice big pond. Sometimes you see a muskrat. Haven't seen those for a while. I hear more way out back in that other big pond. There's a little pond there with a drive in between. This was all actually one till they built onto the property. They made this pathway to separate his property from this property. It was all one. But then way in the back there's a huge pond. I mean, it's huge. You think this one's kind of big. The one back there is humongous. He's got it all fenced off. He's been trying to sell it, but in that little building, that's from the 1800s. There used to be a bunch of them back here because this used to be like a plantation. I don't know if plantation's the right word, but a working farm many, many years ago. And there's a bunch of those cabins for people to live in. That's the only one left. Because that big brick house, that's 1800s as well. And people have been, that live in there now, have been really sprucing it up. But that's an oldie. But that was the main house to all this property around here. And it's since been subdivided and stuff over the years. So, lots changed, even since I was a kid. Well, onward home. Isn't this cute? The new owners of the house. They spruced this corner up. They put a couple benches, and there's runoff here. That goes north to the lake. It goes across the road and down towards the lake. But isn't this cute? They put decorative pieces of concrete and a little fountain thing. Isn't that cute? And they put other things out here, but they took them out, of course, for the winter, and it's still kind of iffy weather, so I'm sure they'll be out here cleaning it all up. But I just think that's cute that they did that they're taking such good care of this corner. They didn't have to do anything, but that is really cute. Hopefully no vandals will do anything, you know. So far so good. And my place is right over there, a mobile home. So I'm almost there. Okay. I'm back home, and looky who's coming to greet me. Just about all my kitty cats. There's Pepper. Hey, Peppy. Usually he runs, but he will when I get close. And there's Nutmeg and the Leaves. I don't know where Georgia is. She's somewhere out here. But her and Suki don't get along, so she hides from her most of the time. Huh, Suki? You Queen of Mean? That's what I call her. Queen of Mean. And there's the boys. You rolling in that stuff, getting all dirty, Pepper? Huh? Are you getting to be a dirty boy? Look at that. All that stuff clinging to ya. He's watching Suki. He's cautious around her. And there's the boys. They get along so good. Yeah. Why can't the girls be like you? Huh? You two get along with anybody. Huh? Then there's you. Huh? Huh, Suki? Hmm? Huh? Yeah. You're a cutie and sweetie around us, but not around the other ones. Huh? Yeah, I don't know where. I have no idea where Georgia went. Oh well. I got a lot of spring cleanup to do. That's one of the stumps we had ground down. I gotta do something about that. In time. In time. Got cool and breezy out, so I am going to go in. You're not. No, you're not going in. You're gonna stay out for a while. I got my Amazon order today. I got some xanthan gum. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a thickener instead of using cornstarch, and it's like pure fiber. And I got like a whole pound. I can't remember. It wasn't that expensive. And it'll last forever for me. Yeah, keto friendly. It has 7 carbohydrates, but all of it is from fiber. No sugar, 1 protein, no fat. But yeah, so it's basically 0 carbs. And it's funny. Where does it say it? Oh yeah, up at the top here it says, please don't look under the bag. Well, of course I'm going to find out what that's about, you know. And it says, quite the rule breaker, aren't you? We dig that. So they have a sense of humor. I like that. I like that. And then I got scoopers. I know they're, you know, technically I guess ice cream scoops, but they're also, you know, you can do cookie dough, melon balls, you know, stuff like that. And I got a set of 3 for about the same price they were charging in other brands for just 1. And I didn't know exactly what size I wanted, so I'm going to get all 3 of them for the same price. So, you know, small, medium, large. I'll probably use the small one mostly, and it'll be for like my fat bombs and making the low-carb cookies and stuff like that. I don't know what I'll use the big one for. Maybe I'll use it on something. I don't know. But they're really heavy-duty, too. I was surprised. Even my husband was like, wow, these are pretty good. And then I got these salad scissors. They will help with, it's not just for lettuce, but for like tomatoes and mushrooms. I think you can do cucumber. I'm not sure. But I haven't used them yet, as you can see. But they really chop up, I guess, the lettuce and stuff really fine. And so you don't have these big bulky things you gotta shove in your mouth. And so got that. So that's my little Amazon haul.